Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best Lily's chips is probably one of the most talked about snack options in recent years, and for good reason, as they offer a unique approach to a classic favorite by focusing on significantly reduced sugar content without compromising on the satisfying crunch and delicious flavors that consumers crave, making them a standout choice for those mindful of their sugar intake while still wanting to indulge in a tasty treat. Number 5. Lily's No Sugar Added Milk Chocolate Baking Chips. Introducing Lily's No Sugar Added Milk Chocolate Style Baking Chips. Indulge in the rich, creamy taste you love, without the sugar. Crafted with stevia, these chips offer a naturally sweet flavor. Enjoy the perfect balance of sweetness in every bite. Elevate your cookies, brownies, and desserts with these versatile baking chips. They melt beautifully for smooth, decadent results. Each 9-ounce bag is filled with delightful milk chocolate style chips. It's the perfect amount for all your baking needs. Now you can satisfy your sweet cravings while sticking to your goals. These chips make guilt-free baking a reality. Choose Lily's for a superior baking experience. Enjoy the classic milk chocolate taste, reimagined for a healthier lifestyle. What we like. These chips offer a guilt-free indulgence with no sugar added, sweetened naturally by stevia. If you're looking for a healthier alternative for your baking without compromising on taste, these are a fantastic choice. Perfect for those managing sugar intake or simply seeking a lighter option for cookies and brownies. What people say. The chips are so crispy and delicious, with a satisfying crunch in every bite. I love the variety of flavors available, from classic salt and vinegar to more adventurous options like spicy chili lime. The packaging is also great, keeping the chips fresh and preventing them from getting crushed during transit. Number 4. Lily's White Chocolate Style Baking Chips. Craving something sweet? Now you can enjoy delicious white chocolate flavor without the sugar. Our baking chips are perfect for all your favorite recipes. Experience the rich, creamy taste of white chocolate without any added sugar. These chips deliver exceptional flavor, making your baked goods irresistible. Whether you're baking cookies or just need a sweet pick-me-up, these chips are the ideal choice. Enjoy them straight from the bag or melt them for a decadent topping. Each bag contains 9 ounces of pure white chocolatey goodness. It's the perfect amount to stock your pantry for all your baking adventures. Choose Lily's for a smarter way to satisfy your sweet cravings. Enjoy the classic taste you love, with a no sugar added twist. What we like. Experience the smooth, creamy taste of white chocolate without the sugar. These are ideal for adding a touch of sweetness to your favorite recipes, from cookies to frostings. If you love the delicate flavor of white chocolate but want to avoid added sugars, this is the perfect option for your dessert creations. What people say. The chips are perfectly seasoned and have a satisfying crunch. Great variety of flavors to choose from, something for everyone. Made with simple, high-quality ingredients, you can taste the difference. Number 3. Lily's 255G New. Introducing Lily's, now available in a new 255G size. Experience the same great taste you love in a convenient new package. We've listened to your feedback and are excited to offer this larger size. It's perfect for sharing or for when you just need a little more. Whether it's a snack on the go or an ingredient in your favorite recipe, this new size fits every need. Enjoy it anytime, anywhere. Lily's has always been committed to quality ingredients and delicious flavors. This new offering continues that tradition. Look for the new 255G size of Lily's at your favorite store. Treat yourself to something special. What we like. Enjoy the rich, classic taste of chocolate with the benefit of no added sugar. This larger size is perfect for frequent bakers or those who want to stock up. If you're a chocolate lover who prioritizes healthier ingredients and bakes often, this option provides great value and delicious flavor. What people say. The chips are perfectly seasoned and have a satisfying crunch. Great variety of flavors to choose from, making it hard to pick a favorite. The texture is consistently crisp, and they don't crumble easily. Number 2. Chocolate Salted Caramel Baking Chips. Experience the perfect blend of rich chocolate and decadent salted caramel. These baking chips are designed to elevate your favorite desserts. Each bite offers a delightful contrast between sweet chocolate and a hint of savory caramel. They add an irresistible twist to cookies, brownies, and more. Crafted for bakers, these chips melt beautifully and hold their shape. You can trust them to deliver exceptional results every time. From classic treats to innovative creations, let these chips inspire your next baking adventure. They are the secret ingredient to unforgettable flavors. Add a touch of gourmet to your home baking. These chips are sure to become a staple in your pantry for all your sweet endeavors. What we like? Add a gourmet twist to your treats with this unique salted caramel flavor. These chips provide an exciting taste profile without the sugar. If you're looking to elevate your baking with a sophisticated and delicious flavor combination, these are a must-try. Perfect for those who enjoy a sweet and salty balance. What people say. The chips are perfectly seasoned and have a great crunch. I love the variety of flavors available, there's something for everyone. These chips are made with high-quality ingredients and taste amazing. Number 1. Lily's White Chocolate Style Baking Chips. Craving something sweet? Now you can enjoy delicious white chocolate flavor without the sugar. Perfect for all your baking needs. These baking chips offer the rich taste of white chocolate but are made with no sugar added. They are a fantastic alternative for healthier baking. Elevate your baked goods with these delightful white chocolate style chips. They melt beautifully and add a wonderful sweetness to any recipe. Enjoy your favorite treats while sticking to your diet. These chips are ideal for those following a keto or low-sugar lifestyle. Each bag contains 9 ounces of these delicious chips, providing plenty for your baking projects. You'll love the convenience and the taste. Get more of what you love with this 3-count pack. Stock up and ensure you always have these amazing sugar-free chips on hand. What we like? Get more of the no-sugar-added white chocolate you love with this convenient 3-count pack. It ensures you won't run out of your favorite baking ingredient. If you frequently use these white chocolate chips and want to save time and money, this multi-pack is the ideal solution for your baking needs. What people say. The chips are perfectly seasoned and have a satisfying crunch. Made with simple, high-quality ingredients, these chips are a healthier snack option. The variety of flavors available means there's something for everyone to enjoy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.